Thank you everybody for supporting us at the 2023 Miami International Boat Show.
Live look into our sneak peek section here where we have our cigarette personal watercraft. It will be launched in 2023.
We've had an incredible turnout this year at the Miami International Boat Show. Thank you so much for coming out and visiting with us and shopping with us.
I'm so happy to be here with Cigarette Racing, the masters of the sea, #1.
My favourite boat has to be the unique one over there with the Monopoly painting on it. Yeah, it's very cool indeed.